Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix camera app crashes or freezes on OnePlus 15R smartphone. First of all, open settings on your device and then scroll down to apps menu. Then select app management, find camera application, and then select storage usage, and tap clear data. This will clear both camera's data and cache. After that, restart the application. And all the issues should be resolved, but you're gonna have to give the apps all the permissions once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.